Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be teaching you how to make these origami stars. To make this project, all you will need is one square 6-inch piece of origami. Want to build it? Let's get started. Alright, start off white side up. You're just gonna fold it up in half diagonally. Fold, unfold, and do the same thing on the other side. You're gonna fold, make sure you do nice sharp creases. Fold. Alright, now you just want to flip it over and fold it in half. Fold. Now from here, you're just gonna flip it over and unfold it again. Now, go right here. You're gonna have white side. You're gonna push it in like this, and then just squash it down. Now, you should have this right here. Now that you have this, all you want to do is just fold this to this side, just like that. Fold, and then you're just gonna fold this up to the middle line, just like this. You're gonna crease, make sure your nice sharp creases, unfold. Now, just fold one side to this side, and then you're gonna open this up. Watch carefully. You're just gonna open this, and then you're just gonna fold it here, and then you're just gonna bring the rest and fold that there and squash. Now you should have this right here. Now that you have this, all you just want to do is you're just gonna fold it back here. Now you're gonna flip it over, and then you're gonna figure out what shape is correct, and then you're just gonna fold about right here. Works. Now go to the other side. You're just gonna fold it that way, and then you're just gonna line it up right here. Line it up with that line. Now you just want to fold. Now you should have this. Now make sure that you have this right here. Open it up. You should have a line on this side. Now you just want to push this down like this, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.